Welcome to Beatrice Community Hospital. Despite all of the challenges with COVID and the restrictions that we have put on to ensure the safety of our staff and our patients, we are open for business and here to serve you when you need us. If you haven't been here in a while, I'm excited to take you on a tour and introduce you to our senior team. The senior team has been instrumental in helping us and our organization set a path to deal with the challenges of healthcare today. Please come on in with me. First, I'd like to introduce Tasha Hessman. She has been instrumental in helping us develop our plan to deal with the COVID process and problems. She is also a valuable member to the community team, and she is in charge of all of our clinical areas. Next, I'd like to introduce Katie Humble. During this time, our employees are under stress. They've had a lot of questions related to how do we deal with this, what happens if I get sick, and she has been able to help us keep our employees engaged and happy while we're treating the patients and being safe. Next, I'd like to introduce Diane Vickers. She has been instrumental in our communications with our COVID response. It changes almost daily, and she is critical to help us keep our patients and our staff in the loop and in the know. Next, I'd like to introduce Dr. Paul Meyer. Having a voice of a physician on our senior team is invaluable as we set directions and try to figure out ways to manage care and keep people healthy. Next, I'd like to introduce Gina Hecke. She has been instrumental in helping us coordinate all of the volunteer efforts and the donations that we've received from the community during this time, and really helping us figure out how do we support this going forward. Next, I'd like to introduce Trustee. He's responsible for all of our physician services. He's the one who is helping keep people getting in, access to their doctors, and also helping keep our patients and staff safe. Carpenter, who is in charge of all of our infrastructure and has really been helpful at behind the scenes managing all the things we need to for this COVID pandemic. And last but not least, of course, is Jurgens. He is helping us really get through all of the COVID regulations and funding that we've had to deal with over this last few months. Hi, Sue Ann. I'd like to thank everyone for your support this year and every year. With times like these, it's easy to see why we need to have quality health care close to home, and support from people like you make that happen. The senior team and I are proud to lead this organization and stand with our employees and our providers to provide high quality health care for our community. Thank you.